Bicycle racks are mounted on the front of each CAT bus. There is no additional charge for your bicycle, and you are responsible for loading and securing your bike in the rack. Bus drivers are not allowed to load or unload bikes. Always load your bike from the curb side. Squeeze the handles and pull down the folded rack. Lift the bike onto the rack. Each position on the rack is labeled for front or rear wheel. Raise and place the support arm over the front tire. For your convenience, instructions are printed on the racks. Each rack allows for the storage of multiple bicycles and can accommodate most wheel and frame sizes. When getting off the bus, tell the driver you will be unloading your bike before leaving the vehicle. Raise the support arm off the tire and lower into place. Lift your bike out of the rack. If the rack is empty, fold it up. For your own safety, remember to never cross in front of the bus. For route schedules, live tracking, and more, visit bismantransit.com. Bis-Man Transit. Catch the cat.